What if I told you there are countries literally inviting Indians to move, work, and even settle permanently, offering better jobs, long-term visas, and a higher quality of life? Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're revealing the countries that are actively asking Indians to move there in 2025. These countries are not just accepting immigrants, they're facing labor shortages and need Indian professionals in healthcare, IT, construction, education, and more. Whether you're a skilled worker, a student, or someone dreaming of a better future abroad, this list will show you where the opportunities truly are. From Europe to the Middle East, we'll explore each country, what they offer, and why they're rolling out the red carpet for Indians. So let's dive in, starting with number 10. 10. Romania. Romania is rapidly becoming a hub for foreign workers, especially from South Asia, including India. Facing a labor shortage due to mass emigration to Western Europe, Romania has opened its doors to Indian workers in hospitality, agriculture, and construction. The Romanian government has approved tens of thousands of work permits annually for non-EU nationals, many of whom are Indians. The process is relatively simple. Once a Romanian employer sponsors a work permit, the Indian worker can apply for a long-term visa. The cost of living is low, and many jobs come with free accommodation. Romania is a stepping stone for Indians looking to enter the EU job market, making it a rising choice for economic migrants from India. 9. Estonia. Estonia, known for its tech-savvy governance and digital infrastructure, is actively inviting Indian professionals, especially in IT. Through its digital nomad visa and D-visa programs, the country allows remote workers and freelancers to live and work in Estonia legally. Estonia is part of the EU and Schengen zone, offering high mobility once inside. Indian software developers, engineers, and entrepreneurs are drawn to Estonia for its low bureaucracy, online residency system, e-residency, and friendly startup ecosystem. The country also offers tax benefits and a high quality of life. While the climate may be cold, the warm welcome and digital-first lifestyle make Estonia an appealing option for Indian professionals and tech freelancers. 8. Ireland. Ireland has emerged as a top destination for Indian skilled workers, especially in healthcare, IT, and finance. Through the Critical Skills Employment Permit and the General Employment Permit, the Irish government actively invites Indians to fill roles in sectors facing labor shortages. Nurses, doctors, software engineers, data scientists, and chefs are in high demand. Ireland offers a smooth path to permanent residency and citizenship, family reunification, and a high standard of living. The English-speaking environment and strong Indian community make integration easier. With major tech firms like Google, Meta, and Apple based in Dublin, Indians with tech backgrounds find excellent career prospects. Ireland's friendly immigration policies and economic stability are major attractions for Indian professionals. 7. Japan. Japan has been inviting Indian workers due to its aging population and labor deficit. Under the Specified Skilled Worker (SSW) visa and Highly Skilled Professional visa, Indians are recruited in healthcare, construction, IT, and caregiving. Indian nurses, in particular, are welcome due to mutual agreements between the two governments. While Japanese language proficiency is often required, many companies offer training. Japan provides a high salary, long-term stability, and access to one of the safest and most technologically advanced countries. Indians find opportunities not only in Tokyo but also in regional cities. Although the cultural shift may be significant, Japan's rising demand for foreign workers and structured visa programs have made it an increasingly attractive destination for skilled Indians. 6. New Zealand. New Zealand actively seeks Indian professionals through the skilled migrant category and the accredited employer work visa. The country has a critical need for doctors, nurses, IT specialists, engineers, and agricultural workers. Indian immigrants find New Zealand welcoming due to its peaceful lifestyle, English-speaking population, and multicultural society. The government has streamlined its visa process to meet labor demands post-COVID-19. Many Indian students also transition into permanent residency after completing education. With beautiful landscapes, strong labor protections, and high-quality healthcare and education, New Zealand is a top choice for Indians looking for a better work-life balance. The growing Indian diaspora makes settling in easier, and the country offers one of the best permanent residency pathways. 5. Germany. Germany has revamped its immigration laws to welcome more skilled foreign workers, including Indians. The EU Blue Card and the New Opportunity Card are popular pathways for Indian engineers, healthcare professionals, and IT experts. Germany's strong economy, affordable education, and demand for talent make it highly appealing. The country has also introduced English-language job opportunities, especially in startups and research. Germany offers long-term residency, family reunification, and a path to citizenship. While language can be a barrier, many Indian migrants take courses or move to English-friendly cities like Berlin or Frankfurt. With an aging population and a shortage of skilled labor, Germany sees India as a vital source of talent and has opened doors accordingly. 4. Australia. Australia continues to be a top migration destination for Indians through its Skill Select program and state-sponsored visas. Indian doctors, nurses, IT professionals, and tradespeople are in high demand. The Australian government offers point-based visas like the subclass 189, 190, and 491 for skilled migrants. Regional areas are especially welcoming, offering extra points and incentives. Australia provides excellent healthcare, education, and a high standard of living. Many Indians also benefit from family sponsorship or student-to-PR transitions. With a large Indian community, cultural events, and job opportunities, integration is smooth. Australia's work-life balance, safety, and favorable immigration policies make it one of the most immigrant-friendly countries, actively encouraging Indians to move and settle permanently. 3. Canada. Canada is one of the most immigrant-friendly countries and has consistently invited Indian migrants through programs like Express Entry, Global Talent Stream, and Provincial Nominee Programs, PNPs. Indian IT professionals, healthcare workers, and students are welcomed across provinces. Canada also offers post-graduation work permits and family reunification. In 2025, Canada plans to admit hundreds of thousands of new immigrants, with Indians comprising a large portion. The multicultural society, strong labor laws, and quality of life attract thousands of Indians every year. Permanent residency, PR, is achievable in under a year for many applicants, and Canadian citizenship follows in just a few years. With strong Indo-Canadian ties, Canada remains a top destination encouraging Indian migration. 2. United Kingdom, UK. The UK has restructured its visa system post-Brexit and now actively seeks skilled Indian professionals through the Global Talent Visa, Skilled Worker Visa, and Youth Mobility schemes. India and the UK have signed migration and mobility agreements that further simplify travel and work opportunities. Indian healthcare workers, engineers, chefs, and finance professionals are especially in demand. Universities also attract thousands of Indian students who can later apply for post-study work visas. London, Birmingham, and Manchester have large Indian populations, which makes settling in easier. With flexible work permits and PR options, the UK is not only inviting Indian talent but also offering long-term career opportunities and stability in one of the world's strongest economies. 1. United Arab Emirates, UAE. The UAE, especially Dubai and Abu Dhabi, has taken major steps to attract Indian talent. Through its Golden Visa program, skilled professionals, entrepreneurs, and even artists can now receive long-term residency without needing a sponsor. The UAE recently simplified its process for Indians, allowing top-tier professionals and graduates to apply directly. Indians dominate various sectors: healthcare, finance, construction, and IT. The UAE-India SEPA agreement has further strengthened ties, encouraging migration and trade. With zero income tax, world-class infrastructure, and proximity to India, the UAE is one of the most attractive destinations. It now offers permanent settlement pathways that didn't exist before, making it the #1 country actively asking Indians to move and grow.